Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks
Best
for coming
cooking
back.
around here.
So in
Welcome
this
to
video,
Carla's
I'm
Kitchen
bringing to
CC
you
YouTube channel.
recipe.
Carla,
I'm going to be showing you how
the
to
big
make
bad
blueberry,
chef.
banana,
Always like,
vanilla
comment, and
ice cream
subscribe.
shakes.
Yeah,
So
man,
here
comment
are
anything.
all the ingredients that I will be
CC,
using
best
in this
cooking around
recipe
here. She's creative,
today.
unique, skillful, and she's different. Always chefing it up in her kitchen. Don't forget Carla's Kitchen CC. Clean and everything neat and delicious.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to wash my blueberries.
Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Yeah, man, click the red subscribe button.
Alright, so I've washed the blueberries, and this is about a cup of blueberries. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put the blueberry in the neutral bullet.
You hear that? What me say?
Now I will be adding the right banana. Almond nuts, and I'm going to be adding a tablespoon. And this is half tablespoon. I'm going to be adding a pinch of ground nutmeg. So now I'm going to be adding the ice cream, and this is vanilla ice cream. And I'm going in with 2 tablespoons. And I'm going to be adding a cork full of vanilla. Almond milk. And I'm adding a cup. Okay, so it's finished, guys. Wow, look at that. So yummy, smells good, the color is beautiful. Very nice shakes, guys. There you have it. Feel free to try out the recipe, guys. Share this video out. Tell a friend to tell another friend about Carla's Kitchen CC. Thank you so much for your support. To all my subscribers, thank you guys so much for subscribing. To all my family members, thank you guys so much for joining Carla's Kitchen CC. I welcome you all. Take care of yourselves. Remember to put God first. Put Him in everything that you're doing. And I'll catch you in another video. Bye.